What's up, everybody? It's your boy Gates, and today we're diving deep into the wild world of travel insurance. Yeah, I know, it doesn't sound as thrilling as a 100-person hide-and-seek challenge, but this knowledge could save you thousands, maybe even millions of dollars. What's the worst mistake you can make buying travel insurance? It's not reading the fine print. This blunder could drain your bank account faster than you can say lost luggage. We're about to expose the secrets insurance companies don't want you to know. Get ready for the ultimate guide to travel insurance, what you need to know. We're going full-on beast mode on this one. Alright guys, let's get real for a second. Most people glance at their travel insurance policy like it's the terms and conditions you scroll past a million times. But here's the thing. Hidden in that wall of text is a secret clause that could cost you big time. It's called the coverage gap, and it's about to rock your world. Imagine this. You're on an epic adventure in the Himalayas, right? You're trekking through breathtaking landscapes, snapping pics for the gram, living your best life. Suddenly, bam! You slip, you fall, and you're airlifted to the nearest hospital with a sprained ankle and a bruised ego. You're thinking, no worries, I'm insured. But hold up, my friend. That's where the coverage gap comes in. See, most insurance policies have sneaky exclusions for high-risk activities. We're talking extreme sports, adventure travel. Even something as simple as renting a scooter could leave you high and dry. That's right. Your dream vacation could turn into a financial nightmare faster than you can say medical evacuation. Don't let this happen to you. When you're comparing policies, pay close attention to the list of covered activities. Look for any exclusions or limitations related to the type of trip you're taking. And here's a pro tip. If you're planning on doing anything even remotely adventurous, consider getting an add-on or a specialized policy that covers your specific activity. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Think about it. Would you rather spend an extra $100 on comprehensive coverage or risk being slapped with a 5-figure medical bill? I know what I choose. This stuff is serious, guys. I've seen firsthand how quickly things can go wrong on a trip, and the last thing you want is to be stuck with a mountain of debt on top of your travel woes. So do yourself a favor and read the fine print. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cheapest travel insurance plan. I get it. You see that ridiculously low price and you're like, score! More money for souvenirs. But hold your horses, my friend. Choosing the cheapest option is like playing roulette with your vacation. You might get lucky, but chances are you're gonna end up losing big time. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a $10 parachute before jumping out of a perfectly good airplane, would you? No way. You want the best, most reliable parachute money can buy. Travel insurance is the same thing. It's your safety net, your backup plan, your financial guardian angel when things go south. Don't skimp on something as important as your peace of mind. So, what's the alternative? It's simple. Look for value, not just the lowest price tag. A slightly more expensive plan might offer higher coverage limits for medical expenses, trip cancellation, and lost luggage. Coverage for a wider range of scenarios, including those pesky high-risk activities, and 24/7 emergency assistance. Because let's face it, disasters don't work a 9 to 5. Remember, my friends, it's not about finding the cheapest option. It's about finding the smartest option. Invest in a plan that gives you the coverage and peace of mind you deserve so you can truly enjoy your adventure. Now go forth and conquer those travel plans, knowing you've got a safety net that won't let you down. Secret number 3. Travel agents swear by this claim filing hack. Alright guys, picture this. Your trip's been hit with a major travel curveball. Maybe your flight got cancelled, your luggage decided to take a solo vacation, or you need to see a doctor for a sudden case of the traveler's trots. Whatever the disaster, you're staring down the barrel of filing a travel insurance claim. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ugh, paperwork. Is this even worth the hassle? Trust me, it is. But I'm not gonna lie. Dealing with insurance companies can be more frustrating than trying to fold a fitted sheet. That's why I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs on you. Insider secrets straight from the travel agent playbook that'll make filing a claim smoother than a freshly paved road. First things first, document everything. I'm talking photos, videos, receipts, doctor's notes, even that napkin you scribbled directions on. The more evidence you have to support your claim, the better. Next up, know your policy like the back of your hand. Before you even think about contacting your insurance company, make sure you understand what's covered, what's not, and what documents you need to provide. And here's the secret sauce. Call your insurance company as soon as possible. Don't wait until you're back home drowning in paperwork. The sooner you report the issue, the better. But wait, there's more. When you're on the phone with the insurance company, be polite but firm. Explain the situation clearly. Provide all the necessary documentation and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, knowledge is power, and being prepared is your secret weapon in the battle for travel insurance reimbursements. Secret number 4. The 5-minute policy checklist to avoid financial ruin. Alright, my travel warriors, it's time for the final boss level of travel insurance. The 5-minute policy checklist. This checklist is your secret weapon to make sure your policy has your back, no matter what kind of travel chaos comes your way. Step 1. Medical coverage. Mayhem. First up, let's talk about the big one: medical expenses. Make sure your policy covers at least $50,000 for medical emergencies, including hospitalization, surgery, and even emergency evacuation. You don't want to be stuck with a 6-figure bill if you break a leg on a mountaintop in Switzerland. Step 2. Trip cancellation. Catastrophe. Life happens. Flights get cancelled, family emergencies pop up, and sometimes you just need to say peace out to your travel plans. Make sure your policy covers trip cancellation and interruption for a wide range of reasons, including illness, natural disasters, and even terrorism. Step 3. Lost luggage. Lament. Losing your luggage is like losing a best friend. It's stressful, it's inconvenient, and it can seriously cramp your style. Check your policy's coverage for lost, stolen, or delayed baggage. Make sure it covers the value of your belongings and any necessary replacements you might need. Step 4. Adventure activity alert. Planning on bungee jumping, scuba diving, or trekking through the Amazon rainforest. Make sure your policy covers any high-risk activities you might be participating in. Otherwise, you could be left uninsured if something goes wrong. Step 5. Emergency assistance essentials. Finally, make sure your policy includes 24/7 emergency assistance. This is your lifeline if you need help with medical emergencies, lost documents, or any other travel-related crisis. And there you have it. The 5-minute policy checklist that could save your vacation and your bank account. Boom! There you have it. The ultimate guide to travel insurance. Now you're armed with the knowledge to travel smarter, safer, and without the fear of financial ruin. I told you this wasn't as boring as it sounded. Comment protected below if you've dodged a travel disaster thanks to travel insurance. And for even more travel tips and tricks, make sure to check out our next video, how to get reimbursed for every trip delay. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic travel adventure. It's an epic